is a morning with pure pressure. Pure pressure. Enough for them dangerous. Like a snake, they moving poisonous. You know, we say sometimes some of them have a hole in the face, but just like to talk. Don't realize even when they don't talk, they're saying so much.
Not me. How much it is true? Yeah! Big boy! Watch them and know them.
Miss Matthew, good morning.
What you do them fake friend on them boy? Cause not for them too dangerous. Like a snake they moving poisonous. Yes. Not for them too dangerous. Snakes in the girl. Like a snake they moving poisonous. Lord, me with people. Hey, hey, me with people. Not me. Me with people. Me with people. Moxie Shawty. Cut them off.
When you see they acting funny,
Cut them off.
when they lying to your face,
Cut them off.
What?
when they cast up all division,
Cut them off.
I learn from the best of the best. They both face with zero preference. Young, pretty, old and strong. I aspire to be just like you.
That's it, Moxie. Watch yourself with them. Careful of them. Bless on them, Shelly. Bring them up. Trinity. Fellas, if you work in security, I feel it so. Real sorry. Oh. What? Yes. Fellas at security. Hey, bring it up. Get it out, get it out.
Listen,
They are not pin. Not slip now. Not pineapple.
when they run this through there,
You know why?
I say security work dangerous. I'm working in the night. You sleeping in the day. I'm working in the night.
When I come out the window. When I come out the window.
Is either two things you're doing with this kind of work.
When I come out the window.
Securing your place.
When I come
Make sure your windows them have bars. And you got the keys.
security.
If you don't like it,
So she wants a man to
take her on the night shift. A nice night come and he go to jump by the window.
She said, Shelly, come out the window. Shelly, come out the window.
So hombres who doing that late shift, that night walk, careful. The man he say he jumping in. The homie say he jumping in. Don't come by the window.
Fellas, if you work in security, police officers, firemen, big up to you. Because you know what I was doing. I sleeping in the day.
He's sleeping in the day
Wake up in the night.
to wake up in the night.
I hope you make your bed.
I hope you make your bed
Turn off all the light.
and turn off all the light.
When I come out the window.
Hey, hey, hey.
Come out the window. When I come out the window.
Or make sure you live in a 2-story building.
Come now.
It's a lot that they need.
A man working security.
And he don't like it
So she wants a man
to take her on the night shift
as nightfall.
as nightfall. And he go.
Lady call.
Ladies.
Come out the window. Shelly, no easy. Come out the window. Jump in it. Come out the window. She want me jump in it. Come out the window. Oh, jump in it. Hey, she want me jump in it. Jump in it. Right now, Shelly, permit me to go all the way back. Go ahead. All you remember that one? Bingo. They like to play bingo with big people. Hey, I tell you. They like to baby, do you really care? B-I-N-G-O, they like to bingo. 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 Bingo, they're calling it. Right now also, when you see them finish with you, they say it's you, they was using you. Well, hear me. God, I give you everything.
I give you all of me. I give you everything.
I give you all of me. Can you tell me, baby, do you really love me?
Can you tell me, baby, do you really care?
Can you tell me, baby, do you really love me? Can you tell me, baby, do you really care?
B-I-N-G-O, they like to bingo.
B-I-N-G-O,
That's say they love you so.
and you're the boyfriend, you're the boyfriend.
You're the boyfriend.
You're the
boyfriend. She take me for a choo-choo. She take me for a fool. Until when they say they loving you. Watch this. I tell you, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part.
We were responding for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly, 'cause I know in my heart, baby.
Miss Janelle is boy, how I wake up feeling this morning. It's how I wake up feeling this morning. Getting you ready to take it down to the weekend. Believe me. I gotta say good morning to my friend. My former friend.
We were responding for a moment in time.
We were good for a small time. And then poof.
Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly, 'cause I know in my heart, baby,
you'll always be a part of me. A little bit. A little. It's 5 minutes down the hour, 9 o'clock.
We were responding for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine.
Well, that's what we thought.
Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly, 'cause I know in my heart.
Yo, her voice is ever so smooth. Listen, you'll always be a part of me. Indefinitely. You'll always be my baby. Always be. Do-do-do. Miss Janelle sent me a message. She said, jamming from a wake up. How she gonna manage when I gone at 10? I don't know. Miss Anatole said, peace.
Yeah. Sing it, girl.
Miss Monegro say hump they on fire. My beautiful sister Mama say you in a good mood, my brother. My cousin Nikki says she loves when I smile because I'm in a good mood. My Fluffy say good morning. Gotta say good morning to my garden princess. I ain't hear from you this morning, baby. Long time I ain't get a smile. Long time. We gonna walk on that door. We gonna walk on that door. Trust me. The time is exactly 9:07.
What's the time?
It's 9:07. After 12:30.
We can get dirty. After 12:30. We can get dirty. After 12:30. We can get dirty. After 12:30. We can get dirty. It's time to grind. It's time to grind, baby. Oh, no time to whine, baby. Oh, time to grind, baby. Time to grind, baby. You so fine, baby. But I still cannot dine, baby. You so fine, baby. But I still cannot dine, baby. Time to grind. 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 No time to whine. Only have time to grind. No time to whine, baby. Only have time to grind, baby. That is it. That is it. Time to grind. Oh, no, I pick up the whole team. Javo.
Zavo.
What's the time? 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 After 12:30, we can get dirty. 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 It's time to grind. It's time to grind, baby. No time to whine, baby. Time to grind, baby. Time to grind, baby. You so fine, baby. But I still cannot dine, baby. You so fine, baby. But I still cannot dine, baby. Time to grind. 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 No time to whine. Only have time to grind. No time to whine, baby. Only have time to grind, baby. That is it. That is it. Time to grind. Woman and woman. Time to grind. Time to grind. Don't shift it. 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 Come and take off your panty. Take it. Don't shift it. Don't shift it. Don't shift it. Like to short to be. Take it out. That is it. That is it. That is it. After 12:30, we can get dirty. 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 What's the time? That is it. We got the whole team. You know already. Zavo. To shock to be stressing. C4. That is it. That is it. Man and woman fighting for man.
They fighting for man.
Man and woman fighting for land.
They fighting for land.
But you know what? Life too short to be stressing over small things. Thank to God that we wake up this morning. We not really here for a long time, so let we have a good time.
Well, we pass it, we pass it, we just pass it. It's past, we pass it, we pass it, we just pass it. So let we take a jump up together, wake up together, drink up together, cause we not there forever. Let we jump up together, wake up together, drink up together, cause we not there forever. Family still fighting for land.
They fighting for life.
Life too short to be stressing over small things. Thank you, Jaja, we wake up this morning. We not really here for a long time, so let we have a good time. While we pass it, we just pass it. It's fast, we pass it, we just pass it. So let we take a jump up together, wake up together. Woman and woman fighting for man.
They fighting.
Say good morning to Miss Anatole.
Family still fighting.
She say whole morning.
They fighting.
She feels she should have come back with a different blouse.
Life too short to
Or at least a change of her blouse.
Thank you, Jaja.
Because down the middle of she back wet.
We not really here.
The middle of she back wet. So then we have a good time.
While we pass it, we just pass it. It's fast, we pass it, we just pass it. So let we take a jump up together, wake up together, drink up together, cause we not there forever. Let we jump up together, wake up together, drink up together, cause we not there forever. We not there forever. Life
Unpredictable.
so we have to pray up.
Some people go to sleep and never wake up.
We never get the signal
When the next stop.
there's no heads up.
So if you love somebody, tell them that your enemies, don't hold them on your heart. We don't really hear for a long time, so let we have a good time.
We pass it, we just pass it. It's fast, we pass it, we just pass it. So let we take a jump up together, wake up together, drink up together, cause we not there forever. Let we jump up together, wake up together, drink up together, cause we not there forever.
We not there forever.
I don't want to take this life for granted. I want to reap the seeds that I've planted. I want to live to see my grandkids, but in reality,
My life is not my own.
This life is really not mine.
thank you, Jaja, me wake up this morning. We not really here for a long time, so let we have a good time while we pass it. Bye to the old me. Bye to the old me. They love you when you're nice.
Yeah,
They
man.
can take
Advantage of your niceness. They love you when you're nice.
so they can call your phone
And they're in crisis.
when lappy do they just
Disappear.
When things tight they just
Just reappear. Silly rabbit. Tricks are for kids. How you expect them don't want to give
well bye
to the old me.
They love you when you're nice,
Yes.
so they can take advantage of your nice,
This real talk kind of soca music and I can't lie.
so they can call your
I've met a few.
crisis. When lappy do they just
Trust me, I've met a few.
when things tight they just reappear.
So what you need to do is
Rabbit tricks up
cut off the dead weight
always one time.
and nothing to give.
Well bye to the old me. Bye to the old me. They love you when you're nice, so they can take advantage of your niceness. They love you when you're nice, so they can call your phone when they in crisis. When lappy do they
They disappear. When things good, they just reappear. Well, silly rabbit, tricks are for kids
hug you always one time.
and nothing to give.
Well they love you when
You ever hear the old people say,
so they can take
when
advantage.
you play with Poppy, they lick your mouth?
They love you when
I never understood it.
so they can call your
Until
phone when
lately.
they in crisis. When lappy do they just disappear. up here.
Until lately.
Skype did us re-up here.
Well, I know it a while, you know.
Silly rabbit.
But I never had a reason to use it.
How you always.
But now I do. Say bye, 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 bye to the old me. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Bye, 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 bye to the old me.
I tell you, no more Mr. Nice Guy.
Bye, 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 bye to the old me.
I'ma still have a smile.
Don't call me.
I'ma still be good.
I don't have money.
But
Mr. Nice Guy. Bye, 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 bye to the old me. Bye, 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 bye to the old me. I tell you, no, Mr. Nice Guy. Bye, 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 bye to the old me. Don't touch that guy, don't call me, don't contact me. I don't have money. No more Mr. Nice Guy. 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 No, he's no more Mr. Nice Guy. The only nice I know, he's an artist. No, he's no more Mr. Nice Guy. And who does tell me no time for rubbish? None for them dead, 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 dead to me.
No time for rubbish, Shelly.
Who does? None for them dead, 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 dead to me. Bye, 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 bye to the old me. Bye, 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 bye to the old me. I tell you, no, Mr. Nice Guy. Bye, 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 bye to the old me. Don't call me, don't contact me. I don't have money. No more Mr. Nice Guy. 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 So from the time you tell me, from the time I leave the office, mind all your business, I might feel a little drinkish.
it's Wednesday.
It's a little drunky.
Hey, somebody explain to me. When used to be ladies' night here on the island? It was ladies' night when it was 2 for Tuesdays.
From the
It's
time
ladies' night on Wednesdays.
I leave the office,
Well, basically,
business. From the time I leave
the kind of women in this country,
DJ Taffy, run it.
every night should be ladies' night, hombres.
I leave the office,
Every night.
the office.
But mind all your business. I might feel a little drinkish today. I might get a little drunkish later.
It's a little. DJ Taffy, run it, run it. From the time I leave the office, mind all your business.
Mind all your business.
Feel a little drinkish.
Miss Janelle,
And I get
what is that?
drunkish,
Get a little.
drunkish,
Miss Anatol.
and get a little.
It's fast. They want to know what you're doing when you're done work.
Run it. From
They want to know what you're doing when you're done work.
the time I leave the office,
Tell them mind all your business. I might be a little drinkish. And even get a little drunkish. Get a little
drunkish, and get a little drunkish. From the time I leave the office, mind all your business, mind all your business. I might feel a little drinkish, I might get a little drunkish. No muscle and mister, call me rum and liquor. A whole new character, new movie with a whole new actor. So if you see me drunk and disorderly, just know it wasn't me. Check again, you probably mistake me with somebody. Maybe I want
Miss Janelle, Miss Anatol, say Hey, hold firm. Brace yourself. October soon here. October soon here. Drinker or a smoker? Well, me is not really a drinker.
Run it.
But you see the trees?
From the time I leave the office.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I too inebriated, I wear my dark shades. I can't see nothing.
Get a little drunkish. Get a little drunkish. From the time I leave the office, mind all business. I might feel a little drinkish, I might get a little drunkish. No muscle and mister, call me rum and liquor. A whole new character, new movie with a whole new actor.
So if you see me drunk and disorderly, just know it wasn't me.
Check again,
you mistake me for somebody.
Maybe I wanna be
not your family.
It could be Shaggy, but
I know it wasn't me. It wasn't me cause I was sober.
It wasn't me.
I'm not a drinker but a smoker.
It wasn't me.
I hear the rhythm getting louder.
It wasn't me.
It must be something in my water.
It wasn't me cause I was sober. It wasn't me. Never a drinker or a smoker. It wasn't me. I hear the rhythm getting louder. It wasn't me. It's best that makes me something stronger. Drunkish. Get a little drunkish. Get a little drunkish. This is not what it is. Get a little drunkish. It's a matter of love. You know there's one that's she like it hard and tough. Ay, 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 ay. Blow it, baby. Blow it, baby. Blow it, baby. Blow it. Listen up. This little girl named Sandra. She remind me of the days I was younger. I used to live with my great-grandfather. We had some very nice neighbors. But every time my daddy come from work, he'd always bring home something to soak. Whether it's a rice bowl or a sweet tea, the neighbor says she don't want any. This is not what it seems. Only a story of a teen.
Mr. Houston.
She says she want that soap.
She took my lollipop.
Ay, 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 ay.
Blow it, baby. Blow it, baby. Blow it, baby. Blow it.
Listen up. This little girl named Sandra. She remind me of the days I was younger. I used to live with my great-grandfather. We had some very nice neighbors. But every time my daddy come from work, he'd always bring home something to soak. Whether it's a rice bowl or a sweet tea, the neighbor says she don't want any. Until a day daddy bring a lollipop, and my neighbor says she want to soak that. This is not what it seems. Only a story of a teen.
Every story have something. And the neighbor,
she says she want that soap.
She says she want the lollipop and she want to suck. What you want me tell her? What you want me tell her?
Blow it, baby. Blow it. Blow it, baby. Blow it.
Say blow it, baby. Blow it.
Listen up.
Listen up. Listen up.
This little girl named Sandra. She remind me of the days I was younger. I used to live with my great-grandfather. We had some very nice neighbors. But every time my daddy come from work, he'd always bring home something to soak. Whether it's a rice bowl or a sweet tea, the neighbor says she don't want any. Until a day daddy bring a lollipop, and my neighbor says
she want to suck
that. She want it.
She want it. She want it. Say my boy lollipop. She make my heart go giddy up. She set my soul in prayer. She suck my lollipop. Say my boy, she make my heart go. She said this thing to say,
I suck your lollipop.
listen, listen.
What a ding, what a ding, what a ding.
She take my lollipop. She said she want to suck.
The neighbor daughter.
The neighbor daughter. The neighbor daughter. It's the neighbor daughter.
Listen up. Until my mommy tell me, son, you have to give generously. You don't have to share it with everybody, cause if you do so, it will melt out too early. But by that time, I don't check the neighbor out, and she was waiting with a knife to cut it out. So I give it to she in the morning. She says she want it in the evening. I realize what mommy says is true. That lollipop, they don't stick like crazy glue, boy. You want it, she love it.
Sing with me, Sunshine City.
Boy, lollipop.
You make my heart go. Listen to sing to say,
I suck your lollipop.
say my boy. You make my heart go.
You make me feel to say that I suck your lollipop. What a ding, what a ding, what a ding. She suck my lollipop. She want it hard and tough. She want it day and night. It will make she feel alright. Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Do it. Man like shape, Oscar, stocky, hot gun. Feel the vibe, feel the vibe, feel the vibe. Man like no like.
Miss Thomas, good morning to you, baby.
Feel the vibe,
How you doing?
feel the vibe. On the man like them, nice and relax from morning. Feel the vibe, feel the vibe, feel the vibe. I wanna touch shadow on the spirit on the radio too. Feel the vibe, feel the vibe. Run it, jump, run it, jump.
Oh, what a jam. Brand new for the new millennium. Oh, what a jam.
Hear me now.
Right now I'm looking for a massive to assist me in the jam.
I perceive that can rock.
And don't insult my fans.
So I visit.
The Polo Crew and Backstreet.
It was no secret. They decided.
I bet you don't know about that.
Everybody happy.
I bet you don't know about that.
Delegation to all the Polo boys them.
Or you don't know where the original click used to be.
Man like stacking.
Or you don't know where the barber shop used to
Big
be.
up all them boys.
Or you got to know your history.
Man like shape, Oscar, stocky.
Polo Crew start here.
Feel the vibe, feel the vibe.
Backstreet.
No lies, you know the wrong thing all the time.
Backstreet.
Feel the vibe, feel the vibe, feel the vibe. On the man like them, nice and relax from morning. Feel the vibe.
Listen good. See how far we go back.
I wanna touch.
Want to big up Shadow and the Spirit too.
Feel the vibe,
Now,
feel the vibe.
listen.
Run it, jump. Oh, what a jam.
You got to know your history and how the music was created.
Oh, what a jam.
You got to know your history and where it come from. Right now I'm looking for a massive to assist me in the jam.
I perceive that can rock.
And don't insult my fans. So I visit the Polo Crew and Backstreet.
It was no secret. They decided.
Hey, Maulers.
Everybody.
Good morning.
Body coming.
Starkey. Good morning.
Well, this is Starkey.
This is Starkey.
This is Starkey.
Listen, you don't know already.
This is Starkey.
This is Starkey.
Look, Starkey.
Listen to Starkey. Listen to Starkey.
We come to run jam. What a combination. A polo and a wire. Hot like fire. Spreading in your area. When it come to party, none of them can test it.
Oh, what a jam. Brand new. Something